Hi everybody, it's the editor here from robinhooddashcam. I hope you're well, staying safe, and as always, are enjoying the videos. Welcome back to the Cutting Room Floor series, and we are on volume 11. If you're new here, essentially the Cutting Room Floor series are all the clips that didn't make it into a normal compilation video, mostly driving observations, a bit of bad driving here and there, some car spots, and some odd and silly things that people have seen when they're out and about. If you're not new here, you know exactly what to expect. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the clips. If you wish to show your appreciation to the Robin Hood Dashcam team, feel free to follow the links in the video description below and buy us a coffee. We'd really appreciate it. And you know what? We'll even make you a video to say thank you. That's all from me for now. I'll quit yapping, on with the video. Enjoy. Greta, love it. What's going on here?
Oh, this is all a bit dodgy, isn't it?
I knew he was going to do that. He wouldn't give a shit that I was here. He was just going to pull into my lane and do it. Wasn't going to argue with him. He saw that bus in front of him was pulling into a bus stand. I thought, no, I'm going for it. I know what this lot are like, Trent Barton. An electric skateboard. Alright, let's get all the girls with that. Tell your cat I said and no kids left in the vehicle overnight.
She's shaking, I believe.
She's fine. Or is it 2 lanes?
I don't know.
Looks like 2 lanes to me.
Way over this side. Squiggle! Doing, 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 doing. Go on, Mr. Squigs. Off you go. No, he's in the bushes, you're alright. He's in the bushes, you're fine. This is the better place for them to come out at you. We're already going slow. There's another one. Come on, Mr. Squiggle, in the sight. Yeah, he's out the way.
No.
No, back in the side, please.
You're dumb. Zone, mate. I know what you're doing. You get a speeding ticket now. Yeah, well done. Overtook me to get in front, risked getting a speeding ticket to sit at a red light. What an absolute muffin. Jesus. Oh, it's a speed bump. Is it a speed bump? Let's click my...
Yeah.
I've nearly used half a tank of fuel.
What is that?
Now going through decades, they were
Oh, it's a little foxy.
Oh,
Oh, good foxy. You go back. Yep, over there. Huh?
Not for a physical I was wondering.
You were in the wrong lane for that, Mr. Astra.
There.
Is that a smoke car?
Electric one. Done shopping and left their window open because of awareness of
graphic would be right for it. I think that's the most delicate way I can put it.
No one else waited for you, darling. I will. Well. That is actually now in the highway code to do that. Nothing behind me, so I did it. But I'm not a massive fan of this new rule, but as there was no one behind me, well, may as well be a good boy, I suppose. Coming right towards you. What's that sign even about? God, seriously crashed here because of that. £3 million is not a lot. Doing? Are you thinking of overtaking them or something? Okay. Our lens ahead, not this Mazda or this 4x4, but there's like a van that's like doing 20 miles an hour. It's very annoying. But this guy's getting triggered. He's getting so annoyed. Yeah, that's not going on.
We have arrived. Sing us home, minions.
Tunnel, mummy.
Yeah, there you go.
On this Friday, you only need to answer your phone to win the cash. So get the draw now. And don't forget, it's only yourself.
Completely off lead. It's alright, I'll just chill here while you sort yourselves out.
81215. Text to £2, plus your standard network rate. Enter at absoluteradio.co.uk.
Yeah, it's alright, yeah. Dog's off lead. Very predictable.
Onto B6013, Church Street.
That's very clever, well done. Yellow car.
But, you know, we've got half an hour, so...
And a lot of this can't move because they've backed up there.
Ah, yes, that's bloody stupid lorries do the road off.
Now we're on red again. And this lorry can't see we're on red. Because he's gone past it.
We don't probably conceive it.
No, he can't.
Kerfuffle.
Oh, a pigeon. That pigeon poorly.
No, it's got up and walked off.
What an utter idiot pigeon.
Because everything about that is completely legal. Is there no person here in a vest to tell me where to
No,
park?
you've got to figure it out yourself.
Oh, member of the public with no brain. No. I'm going to pick a nice space because welcome to my parking.
Oh, it's driving me insane. If you're driving around, it's my perfect space.
I don't like them. I don't like the general public opening their doors into me. Oh. You know, it's
What? You're going to the end, aren't you?
Yep.
Yeah, really good.
orgy, I don't know. Orgy van. The OnlyFans mobile. There's a dog in there as well. It's nice, isn't it?
But I'm thinking of you. Sleep, repeat, the only time I really want to move my feet.
What the f is going on in that car?
The earth.
Oh, you absolute.
Interesting looking bike.
What? Now I'm not in the safety zone anymore. Gee, why is that lorry there?
Looks like a blowout.
I don't. Oh no.
Oh shit.
Do you know what? I don't know. I'm not
So they're
supposed to
on
go over
fire?
there, but
Oh no.
I'm not like risking that.
There.
I don't know. But I thought I'm not fucking going around that if it crashes.
It's like, I think my dad said something interesting to me. He said, you know, he says if it was work, I understand because you want to make a good impression, you want to get on well.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Overheating?
I think it's blown a turbo.
Oh no!
Yeah, that's smoking like a fuck.
Shit!
Yeah, that's bad.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it must have been I'll plug my phone in now, so it must have been an issue with the wireless thing.
Ah, fair. An MG has just blown a turbo right next to me.
Oh,
Oh, it's smoking like. If I don't move, then they can't.
no, but oh,
So yeah, if I get out now, then my car will just be in their way.
no.
Oh dear.
It's just absolutely rammed.
I don't know why. So is it not something that I ordered? Oh, what's the point? Did she give me my card back? Hang on.
Yeah. Flowery. All sorted?
Yeah, all sorted.
No issues?